All right, so let's actually set this up. What we're going to do, there are a couple of different ways of doing this, but we want to be able to paint underneath the line work. So I'm going to make a duplicate of this. You can do that by hitting Command J, or you can just drag this down. And I'm going to call this line art. If I can type, there you go. And then creating a new layer down here, I'm going to put this underneath line art. I'm going to call this flats. Then to make sure that I don't mess up the line art, I'm going to select this and then lock it. All right. Now, when I paint my my flats, I'll just use a quick brush tool. You can see that nothing is there. But if I go up to my line art and change this, and I have to unlock it to be able to do this, to multiply, this will allow me to, on my flats layer here, have the blacks show through and the yellows and all other colors kind of show off. So that's what we want to do. We're going to do the flats first, which are just going to be the flat colors. And then as we get further into this, we'll go into actually adding in some other effects and colors. But first, we're going to do the flats.